doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you saw your friends, it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
And if you feel you're sinking, I'll jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. I won't let go.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline
You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death to song. Okay.
And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you.